Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices, your phone and the Maruti Suzuki head unit. Plug the original USB cable into the car's USB port, then into your phone. This is faster and more stable than wireless for first-time pairing. On your phone, enable Bluetooth, location, and grant Android Auto permissions so the system can access contacts and messages. Once done, you'll see the head unit prompt. Accept prompts on both screens. This establishes the initial link and lets the head unit recognize the phone correctly. Once the initial link is active, you authorize the connection. On the car display, choose Android Auto as input. On your phone, tap OK to allow access to contacts and notifications. Make sure media audio routes through USB so music and navigation cues come from the head unit, while calls can remain on Bluetooth if preferred. Then open the Android Auto app to set voice match, navigation defaults, and notification filtering. This reduces distractions. After configuration, test a short route and a music track to confirm everything behaves as expected. You finalize by confirming stability. Drive a short distance and use voice commands to call and navigate. If the system disconnects, first check phone battery optimization, disable it for Android Auto, then try another certified USB cable and alternate car USB ports. If issues persist, reboot your phone and the head unit. Make sure firmware and Android Auto are updated. As a last resort, clear Android Auto app data or reset the head unit settings. This resolves corrupted pairings and restores a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.